about Chef Ricardo's life living with his grandmother. Let us help get the brother to 10 million subscribers. That is his next goal, and it's in the book. I am making a recipe from the book, and it's barbecued chicken, and this is one of Jamaican top 10 barbecued chicken. So I'm making Chef Ricardo's barbecued chicken. Here are all the ingredients. The chicken is the star of the show. Onion, thyme, scallion, barbecue sauce, vinegar and lemon to wash the chicken, soya sauce, honey, chicken seasoning, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, salt, oil. I'm gonna wash the chicken with lemon and vinegar and water and drain it off, and I'll be right back. Overnight is best to season, but I'm gonna season it now. First, I'm gonna line the baking sheet that I'm gonna put the chicken on. And I'm using wax paper to line the baking sheet. And I'm just gonna put a little oil just at the corners to just hold the wax sheet on. I just put a little oil there. It's gonna hold the sheet in. So I'm just gonna put it here, and it holds the sheet for baking. The recipe will be in the description box. So I'm gonna add the soya sauce, the honey is to make this barbecue sauce to base 10 minutes before it's finished. So I'm gonna leave the honey. So I'm gonna put some olive oil, like a teaspoon of olive oil, some chicken seasoning, a half a teaspoon. I put a half a teaspoon in. I put some barbecue sauce, but most of the barbecue sauce is gonna go to the end. So I put 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, but most of the sauce is gonna mix with the honey to go on it 10 minutes before it's finished. And I'm gonna put a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and you can use any brand. A teaspoon of paprika, you can use regular paprika or you can use smoked paprika. A teaspoon of Celtic salt, and this is a very good salt to use. It don't send up your blood pressure. It's very good. A teaspoon, because we have to keep the blood pressure under control. We don't want any stroke. And this is onion, chopped onion, and this is thyme and scallion, and chopped onion. So I just add all these fresh ingredients to the bowl. And I'm gonna add a half of Scotch bonnet pepper. And you just massage everything in, and it's gonna be nice and delicious with all these fresh ingredients. And I make it very, very delicious. So I'm gonna cut the Scotch bonnet pepper, add to it, and I'm gonna add some garlic. But you'll see the recipe in the description box. I add the garlic and a half of Scotch bonnet pepper. So the garlic and a half of Scotch bonnet pepper. And I just add a little bit more. I just add some smoked paprika. Place it in the pan. And I remove the skin. You can see that I remove the skin. I didn't want the skin on it. I remove the skin. And I remove the fresh seasoning too. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake it for 45 minutes. I'm gonna baste the chicken, so I'm gonna put a lot of barbecue sauce on top of the seasoning. I'm gonna baste the chicken, and this is some honey. Gonna make it very delicious. So I'm gonna pour it over the chicken. So the chicken is here in the pan, and I'm gonna just pour everything over the chicken. When I finish pouring it, you'll see it. I'm just gonna baste everything, make everything nice and delicious. I'm gonna scrape everything out the bowl. Need to get everything out the bowl and put on the chicken. So I'm gonna just baste the chicken nicely, baste the chicken. We're just gonna baste it. Make sure every part of the chicken get the barbecue sauce. So we're gonna baste it. And with the honey and the barbecue sauce, it's gonna make it very delicious, and with all the fresh seasoning. You're gonna place it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. So the sauce that I pour over it can adhere to the meat. Here you have it, family. Chef Ricardo barbecue chicken. Let me have a taste. Smell all good and smelling up the place. Let me have a taste of this goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Wow. And this is one of Jamaica top 10 barbecue chicken. So delicious. So good. And the taste it?
Oh, I'll taste some later.
We'll taste some later. Alright. So good. Oh wow, sugar now. This is so delicious. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.